Stop right there. Before you pick up the phone and call a body shop, before you hand over $200, $300, maybe even $500, watch this. That scratch right there, gone, permanently, with a paste that costs less than $1 to make. $1. I'm not talking about some fancy spray from the auto store. I'm not talking about a $40 touch-up kit that barely covers anything. I'm talking about a simple homemade paste, 2 ingredients, both sitting in your kitchen or bathroom right now, that automotive body shops have desperately hoped you would never, ever discover. And today, I'm showing you everything. My name is Professor Chem, and welcome back to the channel where we expose the expensive lies and hand you the cheap truth. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell, because the things we reveal on this channel will save you thousands of dollars every single year. Let's get into it. Now, let me tell you something that the auto body industry has worked very hard to keep quiet. For decades, and I mean since at least the 1960s, professional detailers, military vehicle maintenance crews, and old school mechanics already knew about this compound. They weren't buying anything fancy. They were mixing it themselves in back garages and army depots. It was passed down like a trade secret from senior technician to junior technician. And it worked brilliantly. So how did this get buried? Simple. The automotive refinishing industry grew into a multi-billion-dollar business. Body shops, touch-up kit manufacturers, paint correction companies. They all had one thing in common. They needed you to believe that fixing a scratch was complicated. They needed you to believe it required expensive equipment, professional skill, and a fat invoice. Because the moment you realize a $1 paste does the same job, their whole business model collapses. Think about it. A minor door scratch at a body shop will cost you anywhere from $150 on the very low end to $500 for a panel respray. That's your money for something you can fix yourself in 20 minutes with paste you made in your own kitchen. And here is the part that makes it even more powerful. This paste does not just cover the scratch. It does not just mask it. It chemically smooths the surface, fills the microabrasions, and restores the clear coat layer, which is exactly what that scratch has damaged. The result? Permanent. Not until the next rain. Not until the next wash. Permanent. Are you ready to see what we're working with and how to make this paste? Let's go. Here's what I love most about this formula. You are looking at a total cost of around $1, maybe $1.50 if you buy in the smallest quantities possible. Everything is available at your local grocery store, pharmacy, or dollar store. No specialist shops, no online orders, no waiting. Here's your shopping list. Ingredient number 1, plain white toothpaste. Not gel, not whitening strips, not charcoal toothpaste, just the cheapest, most basic white toothpaste you can find. A standard small tube costs around 50 cents to $1. This is your primary abrasive and filler compound. Ingredient number 2, baking soda, also called bicarbonate of soda. A small box or bag costs around 50 cents, and you will use only 1 teaspoon. This is your micro-polishing agent. Supporting items you also need, and these cost nothing because you already own them. A clean microfiber cloth, 2 of them if possible. A small mixing bowl or a bottle cap, a toothpick or cotton swab for application on very fine scratches. Clean warm water, dish soap for surface prep. That is everything. Seriously, that is the entire toolkit. Total cost, even if you buy everything from scratch, $1.20, versus a minimum of $150 at the body shop. Let that sink in for a moment. Now, before we get into the demo, let me take 60 seconds to explain why this actually works. Because this is not guesswork. This is real chemistry. And once you understand it, you will trust the process completely. A modern car door has 4 layers of material on top of the metal. Layer 1 is the primer coat. This bonds everything to the metal. Layer 2 is the base coat. This is the color you see. Layer 3 is the clear coat. This is a hard, transparent layer that protects the color. Layer 4 is a thin wax or sealant on top. When you get a door scratch, especially the kind from a car park, a shopping trolley, or a bush scraping the side, in most cases the damage is only in the top layer. The clear coat, the color is still intact underneath. That scratch is not in the metal. It is not even in the paint. It is a series of microabrasions, tiny grooves, in the clear coat. And those grooves catch light, which is why the scratch looks white or silvery. Now here is where our paste comes in. White toothpaste contains very fine calcium carbonate particles. These are microabrasive crystals, small enough to not create new scratches, but hard enough to gently buff away the raised edges around the damage. Baking soda adds a slightly finer level of abrasion and also acts as a mild alkali, which softens and smooths the surface at a microscopic level. When you work this paste into the scratch with circular motion and light pressure, you are essentially micro-polishing the clear coat. The raised scratch edges get leveled down. The surface becomes smooth and uniform again. Light no longer scatters from the grooves. It reflects evenly instead. The scratch becomes invisible. That is the science. It is elegant. It is proven, and it costs $1. All right, enough talking. Let's do this live. I have here a car door panel with 3 different scratches on it. Scratch number 1, a light surface scuff, probably from a car park. Scratch number 2, a moderate key-type scratch running about 4 inches long. Scratch number 3, a deeper scratch with some white clouding around it. We are going to treat all 3 with the same paste. Let's begin. Step 1, clean the surface. Before you do anything, you must clean the area properly. Mix a few drops of dish soap into warm water. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the scratched area. This removes road dust, wax residue, and any loose particles sitting inside the scratch. If you apply the paste over a dirty surface, you will drag grit across your clear coat and create new scratches. So do not skip this step. Wipe it completely dry. Now take a good look at the scratch under the light. See how the light bounces off those grooves? That's exactly what we're going to fix. Step 2. Mix the paste. Take your small bowl, add 1 full tablespoon of plain white toothpaste, then add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix these 2 together with a toothpick or small spoon. You want a thick, smooth paste. If it is too dry, add the tiniest drop of water and mix again. It should look like thick putty. Not runny, not crumbly. Look at that. That is your $1 miracle right there. Doesn't look like much, does it? Watch what happens next. Step 3. Apply the paste to light scratches. For the lighter scuff, I'm using a cotton swab. I take a small amount of the paste, just a pea-sized amount, and place it directly onto the scratch. Now I begin working it in using a small circular motion. Gentle pressure, not scrubbing hard. Gentle, consistent circles. You will see the paste start to work almost immediately. It will look slightly white and hazy at first. That is completely normal. That is the microabrasion happening at the surface level. I'm going to keep this up for about 60 to 90 seconds. Now I take my clean microfiber cloth, fold it to a fresh section, and I gently wipe away the paste residue in a straight line. Look at that. Can you believe this? That scuff is gone. Completely gone. The surface is smooth and the paint matches perfectly around it. No smearing. No residue. Just clean, smooth, unscratched paint. Step 4. Treat the moderate scratch. Now this one is more serious, 4 inches long, with some definite depth to it. I'm using a slightly larger cotton swab this time, or you can use the corner of your microfiber cloth. Apply a slightly larger amount of paste, roughly the size of a small grape, running along the length of the scratch. Now begin working it in. Same technique, small circular motions. But for a scratch this size, I want slightly more pressure, and I'm going to spend about 2 full minutes on this area. You can see the paste is turning slightly gray as it picks up the residue from the leveled clear coat. That is a great sign. That means it is working exactly as it should. After 2 minutes, wipe away cleanly with the microfiber cloth. There it is. The scratch is gone. The clear coat is smooth. The color matches from 4-inch scratch to 0 in 2 minutes with $1 of paste. Step 5. Treat the deeper scratch. Now, this deeper scratch requires 2 applications. Do not rush this one. Apply the paste as before. Work it in with gentle circular motion for 2 minutes. Wipe away and take a look. Good progress, but we want perfection. Apply a second coat of paste. Work it in again for another 90 seconds. Wipe clean. Gone. That deep scratch with white cloudy edges? Gone. 2 applications. 3.5 minutes total. $1 of paste. Step 6. Final wipe and reveal. Give the whole treated area one final wipe with a completely clean, dry microfiber cloth. Use straight motions, not circular, for this final pass. This removes any last trace of residue and gives you the final clean surface. Now step back. Look at this. Before, 3 scratches, including 1 deep one. After, a clean, smooth, flawless door panel. And we spent $1 and approximately 8 minutes. That is the power of chemistry. That is the power of knowing the truth. Let me show you this side by side so you can really appreciate what just happened. On the left, the scratched door panel as it looked before we started. That light surface scuff in the top corner. That 4-inch moderate scratch running diagonally across the center. That deep, white clouded gouge at the bottom. On the right, the same panel, same lighting, same angle after treatment. You cannot find those scratches anymore. They are not covered. They are not painted over. The surface has been mechanically restored to its original state. This is not a temporary fix. This is not a touch-up that washes off in the rain. The microabrasion process has permanently smoothed the clear coat. The scratches are gone, forever. Feel that. Completely smooth. No ridges, no grooves, just clean, flawless paint surface. And look, the water beads perfectly on the surface, just like new paint. The clear coat integrity is fully restored. This is the result that body shops charge $300, $400, $500 to deliver. You just did it with a bowl, a cloth, and $1 of paste. before you run outside and do this to every car you own. And yes, please do. Let me give you the important safety points and pro tips. Safety point number 1. This technique works best on clear coat scratches, meaning scratches that have not broken all the way through to the base color coat. How do you check? If the scratch looks white or silvery, you're in the clear coat only. If you can see a completely different color, especially gray, primer, or bare metal, you have a deeper scratch and will need color-matched touch-up paint first. Safety point number 2. Always use a clean microfiber cloth. Never use paper towels, rags, or rough fabric. These can add new micro scratches as you buff. Safety point number 3. Do not use this paste on matte paint finishes. Matte paint is intentionally unsmoothed and micro-polishing it will create shiny spots. For gloss paint only. Safety point number 4. Test on a small hidden area first if your paint is older than 10 years or has been resprayed. Older lacquer-based paints can respond differently to abrasive pastes. Pro tip number 1. For best results, work in shade, not in direct sunlight. Sun dries the paste too quickly and can leave residue. Pro tip number 2. After treatment, apply a thin coat of car wax over the repaired area. This seals and protects the clear coat and makes the repair last even longer. Pro tip number 3. For very fine hairline scratches, skip the baking soda entirely. Just plain toothpaste applied with a cotton swab is enough. Pro tip number 4. Keep a small amount of this paste in a sealed container in your glove box. The next time a car park scratch happens, you can fix it on the spot in 5 minutes before it even sets properly. These tips will get you consistently perfect results every single time. So let's recap what we did today. 2 ingredients, $1.20, 20 minutes or less, and we permanently erased scratches that body shops charge $500 to fix. The formula has existed for decades. It works because of real, proven chemistry, and the only reason you didn't know about it before today is because too many people profit from you not knowing. That changes now. This is your new secret weapon. Keep it. Use it. Tell every car owner you know. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below right now and tell me, what's the next problem you want me to solve? Stuck rusted bolts? Yellowed headlights? Engine grease in your driveway? Foggy windows that just won't clear? Tell me in the comments, and the most requested problem becomes my next video. If this video saved you money today, and I know it did, hit that thumbs up button right now. It takes half a second, and it helps more people find this information. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe right now. We put out videos just like this every single week. Real chemistry, real results, real savings. Hit that bell icon too, so you never miss one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, the most expensive solution is almost never the best one.